Do you ever feel like you have so many good ideas but you just don't want to do the thing because you don't feel motivated enough to do anything? तुम अपने ideas को waste जाने दे रहे हो. Why you don't have enough motivation to do anything? The first one is procrastination. It means not doing something that you know you should do because you don't want to do it. The reality is दुनिया में ऐसा कोई इंसान नहीं जो procrastinate ना करता हो. But the difference between you and the successful people are they know what to procrastinate on and what to not. They know what task to do even when they don't want to do it. Procrastination कुछ बहुत बुरी चीज नहीं है जिसको तुम्हें अपनी लाइफ से एलिमिनेट करना होगा, मगर you have to use it to your advantage. For example, तुम्हारे पास दो टास्क है जो तुम्हें करने हैं. First, you have to complete an assignment. Second, you have to get a haircut. You just have to choose between these two, which task to procrastinate and which task to do it right now even when you don't want to feel like it. ये दो टास्क में से तुम्हारे बाल वेट कर सकते हैं but you have to complete the assignment right now. ऐसे तुम procrastination को यूज कर सकते हो तुम्हारे बेनिफिट के लिए. ऐसे काम जो बहुत जरूरी नहीं है जिसको तुम टाल सकते हो उस पर procrastinate करो, not the task that you have to do. This is how you can use procrastination to your advantage. Related to procrastination, one more reason that you are not productive enough is you have too much unnecessary work to do. You have this long list of things that you need to do. It seems to be growing longer and longer by every hour and as it grows you are getting intimidated by it. उसके बारे में सोच कर ही तुम्हें पैनिक अटैक्स आ रहे हैं. फिर तुम इतनी बड़ी लिस्ट देख के सोचते हो ये सब मैं बाद में भी तो कर सकता हूँ, अभी वीडियो गेम खेल लेता हूँ, a little BGM I don't hurt. And the thing is you are right, उनमें से बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी है जो तुम बाद में कर सकते हो. बट प्रॉब्लम ये है कि जैसे जैसे तुम टास्क को स्किप करते जाओगे वैसे वैसे वो लिस्ट और लंबी होती जाएगी और फिर वो छोटे छोटे टास्क का बर्डन इतना बढ़ जाएगा कि वो तुम्हारे दिमाग पर गलत इफेक्ट डालने लगेगा. You probably thinking, hey, I have the solution for this problem. Don't let the list grow. Yeah, that's what your mom will say too, and that's the right solution too. मतलब अगर प्रॉब्लम क्या है, we already have this long list, this mountain of tasks that we need to do. The solution is right now doing less, not more. You're probably thinking कितना प्यारा quote है. Should I make a wallpaper out of it? But that doesn't make any sense. But that's the point. That doesn't make sense. Neither do we as a human. If we were so fucking sensible and logical, we will never let the thing build up in the first place. So सबसे simple solution है pick out the most important tasks from the to-do list, do them first, then the second important, then the third important, and list goes on. क्योंकि most of the tasks that you have in your to-do list are unnecessary right now. You can skip doing that easily. तुम्हें बस ये फाइंड करना उनमें से सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट टास्क तुम्हारे लिए क्या है जो तुम्हें अभी करने की जरूरत है and start doing it. और इस प्रॉब्लम का जस्ट अपोजिट हो सकता है you don't know what to do and when to do it. हर प्रोडक्टिविटी की वीडियो में, हर प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन के सॉल्यूशन की वीडियो में तुम्हें ये पॉइंट जरूर मिलेगा and that is routine. But believe me, it work wonders. अगर तुम्हें ये पता होगा तुम्हें कौन सा टास्क करना है और कब करना है, chances you skipping that task will become very slim. तुम क्या कर रहे हो, तुम अपनी लाइफ को एक स्ट्रक्चर दे रहे हो. Not like you have a task and you're just randomly putting in your life. You need to put a clear tag on the task, like this time is for gym, this time is for writing, this time is for the assignment, and this time is to waste. I know everyone's life have variables. कभी तुम्हारी मम्मी सब्जी लेने भेज देंगी, कभी तुम्हें कोई और काम आ जाएगा. अगर तुम केवल 80% भी उस टाइम टेबल पर स्टिक कर पा रहे हो, that's a fucking huge win. Now tips to increase your productivity. The first one is deep work. This idea is floating nowadays that you have to work at least 12 hours a day to get things done, and if you work you will be poor. और अगर तुम 12 घंटे काम भी कर रहे हो, there are someone who is working only 4 hours a day and achieving more than you through deep work. क्योंकि अगर तुम अपने घंटों के लिए वर्क कर रहे हो, you are probably distracted most of the time. You need focused work, not more hours. Especially if you are doing something creative. अगर तुम कोई mindless Excel का वर्क कर रहे हो, you can work 24 hours a day. It doesn't matter. अगर तुम ऐसी चीज कर रहे हो जिसमें थोड़ा भी दिमाग लगा है, you need to work less but more deeply. So how to achieve that flow state? For me, idea of eating the frog first worked wonder for me. तुम्हारे लिए सबसे important काम है, उसको तुम्हें दिन में सबसे पहले करना होगा. Just after waking up. The most challenging part for me is to getting ideas and writing the script for my videos. So just after I wake up, मैं सबसे पहले अपनी कॉफी उठाता हूँ, बिना ब्रश किए सबसे पहले बैठ जाता हूँ कंप्यूटर के सामने स्क्रिप्ट लिखने और आइडिया सोचने के लिए. तुम्हें भी ये फिगर आउट करना पड़ेगा ऐसा कौन सा टास्क है जिसमें तुम्हारा ब्रेन सबसे ज्यादा यूज होता है, एंड डू दैट थिंग फर्स्ट थिंग इन द मॉर्निंग. एंड वेकिंग अप अर्ली अराउंड 5 to 6 AM will also help because I found myself most creative and productive at that time. And if with deep work, if you engage Parkinson's law, you will at 2x your productivity. The Parkinson's law says is the adage that work will expand to fill time allotted for its completion. It simply means if you put a deadline on a task, you are more likely to complete that task in that deadline. How I use this? जैसे ही मैं स्क्रिप्ट लिखने बैठता हूँ, मैं 1 घंटे का टाइमर सेट कर लेता हूँ. In that 1 hour, I will not touch my phone. I will not get distracted. I will not do anything else other than writing. And after that 1 hour, I will have done more work than I could have done in the whole day. So figure out what is the task that is most important for you. Then set a timer, cut out all the distractions, and do it first thing in the morning. You will achieve more in hours than the other people do in weeks. So set a timer and get to work.